Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to a channel update video, I guess. Yeah, that's what this is. For my 0 subscribers. I recently got a new microphone and GoPro setup that I'm liking if this video goes up. And yeah, so that's that. I'm going to be posting a lot more on YouTube now that I have this set up, trying to do moto vlogs. I have an idea for some type of a on-board, on-the-bike motorcycle podcast about motorcycles. I kind of thought that would be a little cool. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at. So I'm just kind of riding around on this gloomy, typical Oregon day, gravel on the road. And yeah, just testing out the whole setup. First time I could get out because of all this rain. Found an 80-minute break in the rain, so we're gonna take that and enjoy it. Look at that guy. What is he doing? Let's go see. Fuck, dude. I mean, it is pretty. I don't know if it's pretty worth the picture. Bitch is riding my ass so fuck you, cocksucker, dude. Just take a fucking second. Run me off the fucking road. Could already tell he's a douchebag driving around in that shit box. No offense if you drive a shit box, by the way. I've driven shit boxes a lot. And I am typically a douchebag. What is this? What's going on here? Let's spook him. Oh wow. It's not that bad out here actually. As long as we don't hit a rain patch, it's gonna be fine. Hopefully this sounds good. I really have been wanting to get a setup like this for a while. I am worried about the vibration though. Sun's peeking through. Woo! Got a little air there on that front tire. A little shaky. This area has gravel a lot. It's wet and tight corner. Take it slow today. Alright, let's see some high speed shit. Woo! Oh, might have to angle the GoPro up more. I don't know. Feels like it's pointing right at my fucking phone and my speedometer. Oh, look at that. That is a hazard for us bikers. Now, I'm the only one fucking crazy enough to be riding out today, so that is okay. Another video I'm planning on doing here soon on the channel is an Mt09 review, long term. I've had the bike for about 6.5 months now. Bought it new, a 2018 model. I have some things to say about it, things I didn't like, things I did like. You know, I'm still waiting to get the exhaust done. I do love the stock exhaust, it's great, but I've heard the M4's full system on this thing, and it is fucking bonkers. So we're gonna go ahead and probably do that install video at some point here in the future. Got a lot of ideas, not a lot of time, and not a lot of good weather, so it'll come in strides probably. Oh, look at all them leaves. Look at that water. I'm playing it. I live in a very wine popular area, so you see a lot of these hipster wine areas or we get tourists that come and taste test it and shit. Which, I'm not gonna lie, I would do if I was 21, but I still got a little bit of time to go. So I can't hate on it too much. See a wine vineyard right there? Pretty dope. It's 55, you fucking nerds. God damn it. What the fuck? Hey! Hey! Yo! They're like squirting windshield wiper fluid onto my fucking helmet. Cocksuckers! What? Oh my, I don't think I was getting on their wiper at all. Well, what the? Hold up, was that on purpose? I don't even, that was so perfect, it had to have been. Are you, hold up. No way. That is aggravating but hilarious at the same time. Holy shit. Hold up. It's just a hole, dude. Oh, they need to really fix that. Oh my god. Hopefully the GoPro is okay. Oh, wow. Oh, what a fucking thing that is. Can't see, I'm legally blind. Holy shit. Ah! My gosh. Sun and wet pavement going straight into my eyes, not the best combo, I'm gonna be honest, everybody. Not optimal for vision. What? That is so cool, actually. It's like police lights if you're gonna get pulled over. Oh jeez. Still blinded. I love the way my bike sounds in this area. That's nice. Some other content you might see on this channel, because I am a fucking loser nerd, is metal detecting content. Kind of been doing that a little bit, not in the rain for obvious reasons, but it is something I enjoy doing. I've found some pretty cool shit out here, so might make an interesting video every once in a while. Oh yeah, my ass is wet. My ass is so wet. Oh god. No hobo. Ooh, someone's smoking the ganja, the reefer. Woo! Got to smell that. Smell that a mile away. Church Saturday. Church is always churching it up. Church, don't stop. Won't stop. Can't do it. Well, this was the update video. I'm sure no one will care, or it'll get no views until I start making real videos that maybe will get some views. But I just thought I'd put that out there and test out the new setup. This might not even make it on the tubes, but we'll see. So yeah, I'll catch you all later. Have a good day, night, evening, morning, fucking anything, dude. Just have a good one. See ya.